All right, we are about to get the RX7 loaded on the trailer. We're gonna take it to the body shop to get painted. Biggest problem is weather is terrible, and I was trying to wait it out, but I want to get this done quickly. My driveway, it's always going to be super muddy when it rains. I can't avoid that. Mud on these tires is gonna fling back on the car on the trailer, and I don't want to do that. So Jalen's gonna try and guide me out into the cleanest spot, but I don't know how that's gonna happen. So let's just see what we can do. Putting the trailer back is where the challenge lies on my setup, because I definitely have to put that joint in four-wheel drive. Oh, we already big time slipperinis. This is where it's about to get nasty. Right here. It's gonna be gross. Matter of fact, I should drive it around and fling all the mud off I can right now. Matter of fact, that's what I'm about to do. Dang. RX7's loaded on the trailer because I'm terrible at YouTubing. My homie from Pro Style came over, my boy Tony. After work, late, dark, raining, he helped me out. We pulled all the vinyl wrap off of this thing, and it is in the raw, in the bare, ready for paint. Gonna match up Jalen's car. My wife said this morning, she was looking at some Winter Jam video I posted, and she's like, oh, you've grown up like a mother, because you would have never been at the track with your car looking like that before. This is 100% true, but it was Jalen's time to shine at Winter Jam, so we had him taken care of, and I can care less about me, but we gonna get me right. Right now, we gonna get me right. True story.
A few moments later.
All right, Mike, you're officially on the clock now.
Tomorrow.
Being halfway through this situation, we're done with my favorite part, which is actually the front end, and we got that looking pretty damn clean. To be honest, this isn't that damn involved, except for this little mid piece and this mid fairing. The mid fairing itself on each side is about 5 pieces. Annoying, yes, but I mean, I've done it pretty much 3 times. I did this, then that, now I'm doing it again. Yamaha's really gotten to the point where they make little complex pieces, but it's only because you fall, you can replace just an outer skin, unless you destroy the inner skin. We're getting through most of it. Look at that, we're looking at a job well done. Obviously, I've already had this bike in the full white, red, and black livery that I've grown to be fully enamored with, but it just does something now because it's completely like this bike, removed headlight and just the headlight covers. So it's as light as I could possibly make it. Couldn't really decide if I wanted to do the red and black or the red and white grips, so I just went with both. So we got the zero gravity Corsa on this one and the zero gravity double bubble on that one. I like the Corsa a lot better. The shape, the design, the flow of it. Both of them do look good. But now the twins are complete. Shit was completely crashed out. I couldn't reuse any portion of the mid fairings. Most of the tabs are broken. But the bikes are pretty as hell now. Pretty twinning, that is.
Day 3.
There we go. Today is the day, picking up the RX7. We just got off of work. I got Jalen working with me this week.
Look at this guy. Does he know what he's doing? Give me a reset.
So he's in the joint, sleepy as all hell. Look at this guy. I was just having a little bit of fun with Mike and his following. I know his car will never get painted before mine ever does, because I got the best in the business. And just to mess with him, I'm on social media trolling him. Basically, I've gotten 2 RX-7s painted, and his one hasn't just yet gotten completed. Sucks to be his painter, but more or less it sucks to be him waiting for his cars to be painted so he can enjoy them. Because it gets to the point where you don't enjoy your builds because certain things take hella long. So I don't have that to deal with. Luckily for me, we're picking the car up today. Howdy.
How are you? Come and check it out, see how it come out.
Let's check it out. Let's go.
You got some little body work, but I'll do the best that I can.
Okay, man. I appreciate it. Woo. I like it. What you think?
It's good.
Good.
Now you just gotta revamp the wheels. Get the wheels painted.
The powder coated?
Yeah, powder coated. Right.
Blinded by the light. This is the next day. Actually, we got home really late. We had to pick Nicole up from school, so we had to just go straight to her school, truck, trailer, and car on deck. Jalen got to pick her up, so I was pretty excited for her because she don't never get to have her, I was about to say little brother, have her big brother pick her up from school. So we got the car. Getting most of it assembled. I got to finish the assembly on this thing, but it's looking pretty minty. We're matching Jalen now, huh?
Yep.
What else does your car need?
Exterior wise or interior wise?
Exterior wise.
Canards and rear canard, and that's about it. Just stylish points, but
Yeah. So we're gonna do the canards on both the cars. I actually have them in there. So canards, the front splitter pieces. I don't actually use front splitters as aero. It's just like a cone deflectant, so it doesn't break the bumpers. I've done that for years. That's why I place them out the way that I do. So in case you do hit a cone, chip a cone, whatever, since the cones go out wider at the bottom, you can kind of deflect them out the way and not tear up your paint or your bumper. So that's a little pro tip that I've been using these for. Then the side skirt splitters just to match the flow. Jalen wants the rear vortex generators for the diffusers on the back of his car, so we're gonna get that. So in the next couple of clips, you'll see both the cars completed, but we're gonna wrap this up because I got 2 in one video. Y'all see we got the R3 completed. The R3 is now finally all back together, looking saucy. Ready to do some more riding? He's not, because he wants to drive.
Yeah.
He's
That's exactly. No, riding's cool, but I don't know. It's after driving is like, damn.
Yeah,
it's an itch that I'm itching. So
it's an itch that he's itching. It's an itch that he's scratching. He's been saying behind the scenes like, Pop, all right, we've been doing a lot of riding.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's drive now. So this is the motivation why we're jumping back in the mix of doing all the driving. He wants to learn. He wants to get better. And in the next couple of videos, y'all are actually going to see that. So we're going to wrap this one up and y'all going to check us out.
In the next one?
Yeah.
This one?
Good Luck League. We're going to go to Good Luck League. He's going to drive his convertible. It might be bad weather, y'all. Might be bad weather. Let's see how that goes on. That'll be the next clip. Get her wet, then she let her lick. Need a little game, niggas know
supposed to really. I don't be everywhere cause I ain't supposed to really.